Welcome to Kryptonite. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to show you the best strategy in which you can use to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum and all other cryptocurrencies. To invest, you would need a good exchange and your price chart. In Nigeria, you can use LUNO in buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. Now this is a very good exchange to use, and also you can use BINANCE. Now this is a very wonderful exchange to use when it comes to buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. Binance has a lot more assets than LUNO. Binance has over hundreds of cryptocurrencies to trade from, while LUNO has limited cryptocurrencies. The strategy that we are going to use in this video is called Naira cost averaging. Naira cost averaging is an investment technique of buying fixed amounts of a particular asset on a regular schedule regardless of the price. As an investor, you would have to purchase more of the assets when the price is low. In this video, I am going to show you a very effective way for you to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum and all other cryptocurrencies. For us to do that, we would need a price chart. We are going to use TradingView for the price chart. You can go ahead and sign up. It is totally free. Now let's click on charts right here. This is how your price chart will look like. Right now I am on the Bitcoin price chart compared to US dollar. I am on the weekly time frame, as you can see here. For me to show you this strategy, we'd have to use a template called the moving average ribbon. Now for us to use this template, you would have to go up here where it says indicator templates. Then you have to click on it. You have to go down to the MA exponential ribbon. Then you click on it. These colorful lines right here are the moving average exponential ribbon. Let me show you how this moving average has effectively worked in investing in Bitcoin over the years. Now let's go back in price. This is around the 30th of November 2015. Now as you can see, every single time the Bitcoin price goes up to a particular level, it always comes down to this moving average ribbon. Another instance right here, every single time it goes up, it always comes down to the ribbon. Right now in 2021, we are in a bull trend. That means in this period, the price will tend to go upward. Another example, as you can see the price going upward. When it goes upward, it will surely come down and touch the ribbon. For you to do Naira cost averaging, you would have to be buying every single time the price comes down and touches the ribbon right here. When it goes up and comes down and touches the ribbon, that is the best time to buy. When you are doing this in an uptrend, you would be in profit every single time. As it goes up, it always comes down to the ribbon. Another example, as we go in time, as you can see, it is going up right here. It always comes down to the ribbon. Now when it comes down to the ribbon, that is the best time to buy, to accumulate some more. As you're investing using this strategy, you would be making money over time. You would always be in profit because you are always buying low, and at the end of the day you would be able to sell at a higher price. Now if we go to the recent price action right now, as you can see, a nice uptrend, a nice parabolic uptrend. As you can see, it is correcting down back to the ribbon. As you can see, it always goes down back to the ribbon. Now when it touches down at this point, this area would be a very good time to buy. A lot of people would be accumulating around this area, a good place to set a buy order. The same thing goes for Ethereum. Let's go to the Ethereum price chart. As you can see, this is the Ethereum price chart. Let's go back in price. As you can see, this is the same thing. This is around 30th of March 2017. As you can see, it goes up in a parabolic manner and comes down to the ribbon. Every time it goes up, it always comes down to the ribbon. You can use this ribbon for any other cryptocurrency. As you can see, it always comes down to the ribbon, and when it comes down to the ribbon, it is a good time to accumulate some more. If you truly enjoyed this video, please give this video a like and try subscribe. It really means a lot, and I will really appreciate it if you do. This is going to be it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.